Good afternoon, guys. I'm Gabriel, also known as Super Maya, and today I'm going to talk to you about Nym in Latin America. So this is our squad. It's called the Tupiniquim King Squad, and the core of the squad is formed by 7 people, but we're much more working to get privacy moving forward in Brazil and Latin America. Now I'm going to show you guys a recorded demo of the NymVPN. So here on the top left, you can see packets leaving the machine in real time. So each circle is a packet leaving your machine, and the size of the circle is correspondent to the size of the packet. And on the bottom left, you can see the amount of packets over time that left your machine. So let's say you're a journalist and you just saw you're accompanying a war and you saw a soldier called David committing a war crime, and you want to report that to the world, but you're going to do it over a normal internet connection or a normal VPN. So you took this picture, you're gonna send it, and then when you hit send, you're gonna see on the top left a bunch of huge green circles are gonna come around. And those huge green circles are the screen leaving your PC. There you see it. And on the bottom left, you see a huge spike in the number of packets that left your PC. So if somebody is surveilling the net, they can clearly see that you sent a big file to somewhere in the world. Now, if you were to use the NymVPN in the anonymous mode using the mixnet, that would be a different picture. With the NymVPN active, you're able to see that on the top left, there's a bunch of huge circles now. What are these huge circles? They're fake packets that are constantly leaving your machine, creating fake traffic, and that invalidates any form of pattern that you could draw from the traffic leaving your machine. So on the top left, you see these huge circles constantly leaving, and on the bottom left, you see there's a huge spike, and now there's like thousands of packets leaving your machine constantly. So now you're reporting again. You just saw a dubious war weapon. Somebody built a shield that turns people into stone, and you want to report it to the world. So you're going to report it, but this time you're going to do it through the Nym mixnet. So when you write your article and you hit send and you send the image, you're going to see that you can't trace any patterns at all on the top left or on the bottom left. The traffic stays the same. There's a bunch of dummy traffic, and the real traffic blends in the dummy traffic. Here's a side by side so you guys can see it better. The image is going to be sent now. And on the left, you can see the spike in circles and spike in packets sent. And on the right, you can see the constant flow of packets. So there's no way you can draw any patterns from this. Uh, this was our demo. Thank you guys very much for listening to us. And goodbye from Latam. And let's go NymVPN.